guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy the family, stay, don't go. If you're not subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. I appreciate you a bunch. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing this look. I hope you guys like this look, and if you like, comment below, let me know what you think. And if you have an idea for any new video, I appreciate. So that's it. So let's get into it and get done. Alright guys, so I had my eyebrows done off camera and I primed my eyelid and set the primer. So for this look is the green eyeshadow look that I had the other day. So I'm gonna be using for transition shade this shade here. It's called Cocoa Taxi. It's a cute little brown shade, like yellowish, I don't know how to call it, but it's very beautiful. And then for my main shade is going to be this green here, and I might use a little bit of this brown here that's called Cafecito. Ooh, that's called Little Coffee. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit, and I'm gonna do one eye, and another eye I'm gonna do off camera. Alright guys, so for my second shade, I'm gonna get that brown shade I told you guys, it's called Cafecito. And I'm just gonna, on that last look, I didn't use that shade, but on this one, I'm just gonna warm up a little bit, just here the corner. Should give a little bit more pop. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer on the crease of my eyes so that green really pops up. So let's, I'm gonna get a concealer brush. This one is from Afterglow, and this concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just a tiny bit should do. Done. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shade. It's called Celia. Yeah, that's right. Celia, yes. The eyeshadow from this palette, the pigmentation is amazing. Alright, now so I'm just gonna go back in and touch up a little bit of that shade Cafecito, the brown one. Just to blend everything together, the three of them. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade called La Costa in the little inner corner of my eyes. And add a little pop of light there. And the same shade, I'm just gonna go under my brows. Just add a little bit there. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and I come back, and I'm also gonna do off camera my eyeliner and my mascara and glue the lashes in. So I'm just basically gonna finish this eye look off camera so this video don't get so long, and I come back with the eyes all done so we can finish the rest of the face, okay? So you guys gonna see how this look come out. Now as a primer, so I just have my eyes done, so I'm just gonna pump a little bit of the serum and the moisturizer together, and I'm gonna apply all over my face before I apply my tinted moisturizer. So this one is made by Double Dare, and they are made in Korea, and so they are really, it smells fabulous. So this is my first time trying them. So you see, this is 2 pumps, you know, half of serum, half of the moisturizer. So I just rub them together and apply all over my face. The smell, oh my god. You know, it's even the moisturizer doesn't have like a grease feeling. It's feel more like a little gel kind of touch. So if you see it dries very fast and does leave your skin looking and feeling fabulous. So you can blend your neck. Yes. So this is the first time trying this. This is really nice. Thank you, Dual Care, to send me for try. I will link the link below for this moisturizer room downstairs. So if you guys wanna read a little bit about it. So for my face, I'm not going to use foundation today, because last look that I didn't use foundation. This look is a little darker than the one. If you guys see, I add a little bit of more the cafecito brown, so just look a little dark. So I'm just gonna go in with the same First Aid tinted moisturizer. Just gonna add a little bit to my palm here, and I don't want much. I just one little bit go a long way if you're just, you know, trying to get flawless coverage without heavy finish. So I'm gonna look at my mirror here. Sorry. It works perfect, that duo, as a primer. The tinted moisturizer, it's going very smooth with the top. So on the last look that I did not use concealer, but today I'm feeling a little bit, I didn't sleep good last night, so I'm just gonna add a little bit under my eyes, and that's it. I'm gonna highlight nothing. So, and for concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this concealer, it's so affordable and works perfect. This finish of this tinted moisturizer is so beautiful. It looks like, you know, a light coverage foundation, but with all the benefits. This is the Fit Me Matte Poreless powder from Maybelline, and I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush. This. Clarins bronzer. So I'm gonna use the middle bronzer here. Oh, works perfect. Better? Alright. So now that bronze done, my blush, and I'm gonna go in with this blush, is the shade Bellini from Ofra Cosmetic. Yep. Okay, now the blush is done. Let's go in with the highlighter. Yay! So for highlighter, ouch! I'm gonna use this Ofra Cosmetic Rodeo Drive highlighter. It's gorgeous. I just bring my highlighter a little bit down, almost on the top of my blush starter, so I give you that beautiful like a glow. Just do the same thing on the other side. Girl, stop it! I love this highlighter. I forgot to mention, June 25th is my birthday. Yay! So I'm excited for it. So I don't know, I was thinking about do a video birthday tag. So what you guys think? So if I decide to do it, probably like a couple of days before my birthday, I will do a video, and so you guys can drop in the birthday question. Now I'm gonna get another brush. This one can work. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlighter to the tip of my nose. A little bit more in the corner of my eyes, just to give it a little extra pop. Right. So now let's go in with the lips. So this is the Maybelline color Sensation. So this is the pencil. Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick. This shade is 100 Magenta Affair. I love this lipstick because it's, I almost feel like a lip balm. Like if your lips tend to dry like mine, this lipstick is perfect. Look, I hope you guys enjoy. And for my eyes, the mascara, I use the Givenchy Deep Black Nowhere Interred mascara. And for the eyeliner, I use the e.l.f. liquid liner. And that's all. That's the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And if you have an idea for the video, I'm all listen. Go ahead. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the family. Stay. Don't go. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watch my video. I appreciate you a bunch. Thank you Double Dare for sending me this duo moisturizing serum for try. It's fabulous. It smells really good and it's not expensive at all. So I'm gonna link the link below if you guys just wanna click and read a little bit about it so you can know a little bit more. Fabulous. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.